Hello people. Hi people. Hello people. Oh my goodness. Um, okay, I must now fit the door to this vehicle. That's video number 3. And the door is there. Ja, goed. Die deur is daar. Ek moet die deur aansit. So, I went too fast. I must go slow with the camera. Like so. Mustard buggy, kaput, pumpkin color, whatever. Okay, we missed the truck. Truck went up there. Wank. Yesterday, yesterday was my neighbor's birthday, the one on the mountain. Okay, 70th birthday on the 22nd of July, 2026. Today's the 23rd, the Thursday, 2026. So now I'm going to fit the door. Okay, so I must get the wheelbarrow there, from there to here. Okay, so I got from there to here. But now I want to first fix my oil. Ek wil net gou my smering op doen van my deurskaniere. My door hinges, I want to oil it, lubricate it, smear it, lubricate it. That one and this one. Right, let's go closer and see how I do it. So there's a little plug, plus, and it's white, yellow, a pointed ply there. That ply is there, right? A little plastic thingy like this, nylon, proppy, what is plug, right? Now this is story is now wanky. The metal plate I'm standing on. Okay, that's now going to be a nuisance. Dit gaan vervelig wees. Goed, nou gaan ek 'n bietjie olie daar ingooi. Gear oil. While I can get there, it's now easy. Alright, that's full of gear oil. Nobody does this. I'm the only person doing this. Ek is die enigste een wat dit doen. Niemand doen dit nie. Wag tot deze vasroes of alles oproes. Dan koop hulle 'n nuwe kar. Auto. Jy gaan 'n nuwe auto koop en alles opgeroes. Other people, they don't do this. I'm the only person doing this. Lubricating my door hinges and stuff to let it last longer. They just go and buy a new car and plenty money. I don't have money, so I have to fix it. Let it keep on going. Goed, die volgende is dat die daar het gespray. I sprayed it down there. So that's the color. more or less the same color, but from there down to there, all of this to the old color up there, right, and then the door as well. So now I'm going to oil lubricate the bottom one too, the hinge, I mean. Gaan die anders kan jy ook smeer met olie, met die keerolie. That's Shell oil, I think. Stickers had fallen off already. Die plakkers het afgekom van die kan. So, maar dit is Shell olie. Goed. Dan gaan ek gou daai ene ook doen. That's it. And then I must bring you here from there to have a look at from this side. Okay. That's the bottom one there. Oh, sorry for all of this shaking going on. Nou gaan ons kyk of ons die olie gaan druppe in daar. Oh my. I have to get some more oil. Not going to make it. Okay, so I added a little bit of oil into this cup. Kom nou, not there. So, oh goed, hy's vol now. It's full. I can pour it back into the can. Like so. Now it's flowing back into the can. Now I must put the plug back at the top. There's one at the bottom too. And there's a bubble coming up. Surely, but it's coming. Alright. Going to wait for bubbles. Put this back, right? Now I must dial the door. I see very few people lubricating their bolts. Even the cylinder head bolts or studs and bearing bolts. They just put it in dry and torque it up. Okay, I use copper slip grease. Or whatever they call it. They call it copper slip. But when some people call it copper slip grease, it's grease mixed with fine grounded fine ground copper. Okay, so it's very fine. Okay, I'm going to put it on the bolts that to be turned into the door. But I'm not going to show you how I'm going to struggle to get the door on there. I'm going to use that jack and that thingy there at the bottom of the door not to damage the paint again. So, ons kyk op maar dan hoe ek dit opkry. And now see how I can get the door into its place. Alright, see you later. After struggling for about a quarter of an hour or so, I got the door on. It had fallen off. Het 'n paar maal afgeval. Ja, so ek het deze plank so gekry. Maar this long piece of purline, so that worked better because it twisted there. That thing twisted like so, and then the door fell down. 3 times the door fell down. Okay, so I hope it's not damaged. Niet te veel verf afgevallen van die ding af nie. Lakke het afgekom nie. Lekker, whatever. Lekker. Nie lekker nie, that means nice nie, of lekker, or something like that. Okay, so now I must put my spacer in at the bottom to get this door to strike there on the striker. So that is there's a deer slot, that's a door lock, and that is the striker. What is nou in Afrikaans, ek weet nie. We usually call it a lock and striker, and a barrel and key. So that is the barrel and key, and that is the lock. So if you talk about a door lock, you don't jy bestel nie daai ding nie, want dit is 'n slot, en daai is 'n sleutel in dinge so, in die barrel and key. So if you order one of these, you don't order a lock, you order the barrel and key, because a barrel and key isn't a lock. So that is a lock, and that is a striker. There. So this lock strikes the striker there, and then it swivels over, and then it catches on with a hook, and it cannot open, or shouldn't open. Goed, dan gaan ek 'n spasiëerder insit, spacer in. Can I see there? Okay. Now it must come, at the bottom. Golly. Okay, I'll put it in and then show later. Now all the bolts are in, but not secured. Nie helemaal vasgedraai nie. So nou moet ek kyk of die venster reg is, want ek het die drade aangesit. I've already fitted the wires. See if it's going in the right direction, because they're different to other cars. Let's see. Turn it to that point, right. That window goes, if you pull it backwards, it goes down. If you push it forwards, it goes up. So, I don't know. For me, it makes more sense. Right. Okay, let's see if this one goes down. Yep, there it goes down. And you push it forwards, and then it goes up. So that's good. Let's go down. Oops. Now the screw is out of there. Daai skroef is nog uit. Dat rail is loose. Daai reëling is nog los daar. So nou wil ek die deur toemaak en sien hoe dit toe gaan. Okay, laat ek net 'n bietjie afkom. Alright. maybe that's far enough. But now we close the door and see what happens. Oh, so it's very loose. It's catching. Oh, look at my dirty finger there. Oily finger. Okay, let's close the door. That's it. It's quite open at the bottom. So I must give it a bonk at the bottom. What have I done there? To the door. That doesn't look good. So it bent. Maybe I must try. No, better not. Okay, that should stay like that. Nothing I can do about that. Kan niks doen dat daar. Nou skroewe vasdraai, boutjies vasdraai daar binnekant by die venster. I have to turn it tight through the window. Okay. So I have to take that shim out there and make another one like that to get this door up, because some of the other unknown reason with the heat going on there when I was welding, it sagged, so it's not coming up to this striker there. The door is hanging down here on the side, so I must put another shim in there. Okay, so I'm going to take that plate out there. It's my shimming plate. Ek gaan my plaatjie uithaal, my verdekking plaatjie, en dan nog een maak, want die deur kom nie nou by die struike by nie. Dit hang nou laer dan dese struike. So, okay. So ek gaan dit uithaal so. So I took it out again. Dan moet ek daar aan die ander kant ene gaan maak nou. Nog en twee, miskien die is een vervang ook. Maybe I have to replace this one too. Okay. So let me drill the hole. Holes, the two holes, twee gate boor in die plaatjie daar. Okay, let's see. Blunt. Okay, let's turn it the other direction. see if I can get 40 millimeters from this hole to that hole. So it must be there. So, yep, 40 millimeters. See if I can drill with this blunt drill again. Okay, right. What happened here? Shift it. Oh well, then it must stay like that. Right. Now I'm going to take a 10 millimeter drill. Let's try this one. Fortunately, you can zoom into this. While playing your video. No man. One. Right. Right, that's done. Back to this place here. Take the berm off this here. Right, let's go to the car. See what I can do. Okay, this one. Right, let's go to the car. To adjust it, it is difficult. see how it does. Where is the door panel? This is good. Dit is goed. So now I'm going to fetch the 506 rust preventer and squirt into the door there, into the door. Dan spuit ek dit daar in die deur in. Goed, ek moet nou die transmissie afskakel. Just now the battery goes flat. It's already almost dead. Let me first get rid of the store rack or the shop rack, whatever they call it. The plate of the shop, the store rack. Heavy piece of metal that so thin steel and so heavy. Okay, zwaar stukkie plaat, winkelrak plaat. You see all the holes in the plate. That's where the bolts, screws or whatever they call it. There, you can adjust it. And the same with the hoekeisters, the corner steel. You can adjust it. There are many holes on the corner steel, and then you can shift it where you want it, high or low, in the middle or wherever, and it goes right up to the roof. You can extend it to have a big in a big store, and it's high, meters high, and you can pack it with boxes and stuff. Alright, so that's where the plate came from. I think they kept the corner steel. We only got out of the flat steel plates where you put for the racks, where you put your stuff on. Alright, you store your stuff, goodies. Okay, kom ons kyk of ons die ding kan spuit is, ja. Sneller, is in die bezigheid. In the corner there. In there. On the welding. And the metal plate without the weld at the bottom. It's very important. Baie belangrik vir die plate onder. And here, this go there. All along there on the welding. And the bottom of the plate. And behind the motor. And bottom of the motor. It's already dripping out the bottom on the ground. And then I must tighten this bolt here, or fit the bolt rather. First of all, eers die boutjie insit. 10mm sak en 'n klein kwart-duim dryf, 1/4-inch dryf with an 8mm socket. 10mm socket. It's what is it? 10mm, yeah, 10mm socket and a 6mm bolt. Come on now, go in place. Don't struggle like that. Must I always struggle to get there. And now, why did I? Okay, fine. Let's see if the window goes down. Alright, maybe a little bit more to this side. It's completely to this side. So let's get on the kant. Sorry for that. At least you could see the socket. Gelukkig kon jy dit sok sien. Right. Nou nog 'n bietjie squat, ja. Nog 'n bietjie spuit daar. Oh my. Behind there. Down there. Down daaronder. And right in the corner there, it's quite difficult. So I'm going to put it down that, up that hole there. See there? See near? Oh, no. Alright. En die hoekie soontoe kan toe. Soontoe. En dan daar. Where is it? In the corner there. Right. Into the back there. It's not going to make it. In there. Into there. Come on now. Why are you? It's now going to be difficult on that. Stubborn one too. Doesn't want to go in there. The pipe is too short. Moeilike eentjie. Wonder kan jy hierbo insluit nie. Oh, backfiring. What a mess. Wat 'n gemors is dit nou, ja. Okay. Backfired on me. So, let's do that down there quickly again. And in there, behind the motor. And there in the back, I'm going to try to squat in there and let it run down to the bottom. In the back there, that's flowing out of there. And I did it like this. I didn't fold it back. It's only folded there. But here is nothing. It's straight. So that the water can flow out. Come on out. Oopsie. Now hopefully it's better. Okay, now I'm going to squirt it down there. All along there. So, that should be enough. For the meantime, I'll blow it, squirt it later on again. En het later weer spuit. Turn the key off, right? Key is off. Nou, kan het 'n bietjie nog sit. En dan gaan ek weer squirt daar. But my concern is in there. That's my concern. At this moment. Ek moet nou hierop. Dan baby sit vast. The pipe doesn't want to go up there. It's too thick here at the point. Okay. Let's see if this works now. We're going up there. How far must it go up to there? It's quite far. Okay, so that is done. We just can squirt a little bit more in there. Now I must put the light on. See, not available. Why doesn't the freaking light come on? This electronic stuff, they do what they want to do. Hulle wil net doen wat hulle wil doen. Dan moet ek maar in die donker sukkel daar. And scan is almost done. Squirt on the back side of the boats so that the paint where the spanner took the paint off the socket, it won't rust. Okay, the tin is almost done. Very expensive stuff these nowadays. They were cheap in the day when I was at college. 83 cents per liter for diesel and petrol. I think it's 83 for the one and 85 for the cents for the other per liter. Rand cents, rand cent. And these stuff, I bought it by the box because it was only 12 rand for a tin like this. Now it's 200 and something odd rand per tin. Extremely expensive. Okay, I have another tin, but I must first finish this one completely. Okay, so done. Alright, it's done. Good. So now the door is on. Now the deur weer on. On. Alright. tot 'n volgende probleem. It's not problem free. Next problem arrives. Want this is a mens het baie probleme. It's like a human, and a human has lots of problems. Even those with a lot of money, they also have problems. And those without money have more problems. Because they don't know when to get hold of food or whatever. Can't buy food and so on. Yeah. Don't know where the next meal comes from. Weet nie wanneer die volgende kos vandaan kom. So ek sê totsiens van deze video. Tot de volgende video. Bye. Bye bye. Totsiens. Tot de volgende video. Until the next video. Thanks for subscribing. Dankie vir subscribing. Inskrywing. Ja. Ja, whatever. Totsiens. Bye. Okay. Dan gaat al die karre voorbij. It's starting to become weekend again. Trucks are busy, and the cars are going on the weekend again. Whatever. Wat ook al. Hulle gaan vragmotors, vragwaans, goedere aan. Die karre gaan op lang naweek, wat ook al. Ja, lyk na 'n lang naweek, want dit is donderdag nou maar eers. It's only Thursday today. So maybe people are going on a long weekend. I don't know. Okay, tot the next video en tot de volgende video. En tot de volgende video. Tot ziens.